Greetings and welcome to the Benefits of Channel. We often focus on the foods we know and love, the familiar fruits and vegetables that grace our plates regularly. But what about the unsung heroes of the produce aisle, the nutrient powerhouses often overlooked? Today, we're shining a spotlight on one such gem, turnip greens. These leafy greens, often overshadowed by their root counterparts, boast a remarkable nutritional profile with a myriad of health benefits. Turnip greens, with their slightly bitter yet pleasantly earthy flavor, have long been cherished in various cuisines worldwide. Beyond their culinary versatility, they offer a wealth of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can significantly impact our well-being. Join us as we delve into the amazing world of turnip greens and discover how incorporating them into our diets can lead to a healthier, happier life. From boosting our immune system to strengthening our bones, turnip greens pack a powerful punch. Whether you're a seasoned health enthusiast or just beginning your journey towards a more vibrant lifestyle, understanding the benefits of these leafy greens can empower you to make informed choices for a healthier tomorrow. Let's explore the science-backed reasons why turnip greens deserve a prime spot on your plate. Turnip greens are not your average leafy green. They are nutritional powerhouses bursting with an abundance of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These leafy greens are often overlooked, but they pack a punch when it comes to health benefits. These essential nutrients work synergistically to support various bodily functions, promoting overall health and well-being. Whether you're exercising, cooking, or simply enjoying a meal, turnip greens can be a valuable addition to your diet. 1 cup of cooked turnip greens provides an impressive amount of vitamin K, a crucial nutrient for blood clotting and bone health. This makes them an excellent choice for those looking to strengthen their bones and improve their overall health. They are also an excellent source of vitamin A, essential for maintaining healthy vision, skin, and immune function. Including turnip greens in your diet can help you see better, have healthier skin, and boost your immune system. Moreover, turnip greens are rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that protects our cells from damage caused by free radicals. This vitamin is essential for the growth and repair of tissues in all parts of your body. In addition to vitamins, turnip greens are packed with essential minerals. These minerals play a vital role in various bodily functions, ensuring that your body operates smoothly. They are a good source of calcium, crucial for strong bones and teeth. Including turnip greens in your diet can help you maintain a healthy skeletal structure. They also provide a significant amount of iron, essential for red blood cell production and oxygen transport throughout the body. This makes them particularly beneficial for individuals who need to boost their iron intake. Furthermore, turnip greens are a good source of potassium, an electrolyte that plays a vital role in maintaining fluid balance and regulating blood pressure. This nutrient is essential for heart health and can help prevent hypertension. Beyond vitamins and minerals, turnip greens are rich in fiber, a type of carbohydrate that our bodies cannot digest. Fiber is crucial for a healthy diet and has numerous benefits. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system, promoting regular bowel movements, and preventing constipation. It helps keep your digestive tract running smoothly. It also helps regulate blood sugar levels, lower cholesterol levels, and promote a feeling of fullness, aiding in weight management. Including turnip greens in your meals can help you achieve a balanced and healthy diet. Maintaining strong and healthy bones is crucial for overall well-being, allowing us to move with ease, engage in physical activities, and prevent age-related bone loss. As we age, our bones naturally become more fragile, making it essential to support them with the right nutrients. Turnip greens, with their impressive nutrient profile, contribute significantly to bone health, supporting bone density and strength. These leafy greens are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that our bones need to stay strong and healthy. As we mentioned earlier, turnip greens are an excellent source of vitamin K, a nutrient that plays a vital role in bone metabolism. Vitamin K is essential for the activation of proteins that bind calcium, which is crucial for bone mineralization. Vitamin K activates proteins involved in bone formation and mineralization, ensuring that calcium is effectively deposited into the bones. This process helps maintain bone density and reduces the risk of fractures. Studies have shown that adequate vitamin K intake is associated with a lower risk of osteoporosis, a condition characterized by weak and brittle bones. Ensuring sufficient vitamin K in your diet can be a proactive step towards maintaining bone health. Furthermore, turnip greens provide a good amount of calcium, the most abundant mineral in our bones. Calcium is not only vital for bone health, but also plays a role in muscle function and nerve signaling. Calcium is essential for bone growth, development, and maintenance. It helps in building the bone matrix and provides the structural support needed to keep bones strong and resilient. It provides structural support to the bones, making them strong and resilient. Regular intake of calcium-rich foods can help prevent bone-related issues as we age. Consuming calcium-rich foods like turnip greens throughout life is crucial for building peak bone mass and preventing bone loss later in life. A balanced diet that includes these greens can make a significant difference in long-term bone health. In addition to vitamin K and calcium, turnip greens contain other nutrients that contribute to bone health. These include magnesium and manganese, which play supportive roles in maintaining bone structure. Magnesium, another mineral found in these leafy greens, aids in calcium absorption and utilization, ensuring that the calcium we consume is effectively used by the body. It also helps in the formation of bone crystals. Manganese, a trace mineral present in turnip greens, supports bone formation and helps maintain bone density. It is essential for the production of enzymes involved in bone metabolism, making it a key player in bone health. A robust immune system is our first line of defense against harmful pathogens, protecting us from infections, illnesses, and diseases. It acts as a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs working together to keep us healthy. Turnip greens, with their abundance of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, can bolster our immune system, strengthening our body's ability to ward off infections. These leafy greens are a powerhouse of nutrition, making them an excellent addition to our diet. Vitamin C, a potent antioxidant found in high concentrations in turnip greens, plays a crucial role in immune function. It helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections and keeping our immune system in top shape. It supports the production and function of white blood cells, the immune cells responsible for fighting off infections. These cells are the body's primary defense mechanism against harmful invaders. Vitamin C also helps protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals, harmful molecules that can weaken the immune system. By neutralizing these free radicals, vitamin C ensures that our cells remain healthy and functional. Moreover, turnip greens are a good source of vitamin A, another nutrient essential for immune health. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining the health of our skin and mucous membranes. Vitamin A supports the integrity of our skin and mucous membranes, which act as physical barriers against pathogens. These barriers are our body's first line of defense, preventing harmful microorganisms from entering. It also plays a role in the development and function of immune cells, ensuring that our immune system is equipped to fight off infections. A well-functioning immune system is vital for overall health and well-being. In addition to vitamins, turnip greens contain antioxidants, compounds that protect our cells from oxidative stress, a process that can damage cells and weaken the immune system. These antioxidants help maintain the balance and health of our cells. Antioxidants found in turnip greens, such as beta-carotene and lutein, have been shown to have immune-boosting properties, enhancing the activity of immune cells and reducing inflammation. Including these greens in your diet can significantly contribute to a stronger, more resilient immune system. Thanks for watching. This video is for educational purposes and not a substitute for medical advice. Please remember to like, subscribe, and check the links for additional resources. See you in the next video.